Well, good Thursday morning. Welcome back to 3 News. First edition outside right now. It is a clear and mild start to our day. It's not cool, but the humidity is back in our atmosphere and at the surface, which is why our temperatures are slightly warmer this morning, but not too bad. 75 in Flower Bluff, 70 at the airport, so a 5-degree swing depending on where you're at from the coast to farther inland areas. There is no fog out there, so good news if you're commuting out this morning. And temperatures across the board are ranging from the 60s to the 70s and even near 80. Look at that. Port Aransas is still in the 80s at 5 o'clock in the morning, 67 in Mathis and 63 in Falfurrias. Today it will top out around 89 degrees, mostly sunny and hot, light winds. But notice the wind direction shift from the east and southeast, which is going to usher in and drive in more humidity and just really add to a heat index, at least in the afternoon hours when temperatures will be near 90. It may feel like 94 to 95 with the humidity in check. Okay, so today about 89, 90, same thing for Friday. On Sunday, we start to really jumpstart our temperatures lower to middle 90s by the early part of next week, and then it starts to trend down by the middle and latter half of next week. So that's all thanks to our shifting weather pattern. At the moment, though, it is clear. Radar is not picking up on anything. This is just a clutter and some clouds out to our north and west. And zooming out and showing you the bigger picture, some more clouds out near California and the Four Corners, and even a pretty broad upper level system that is dumping some rainfall out near Atlanta, Raleigh, North Carolina, and near Virginia on this Thursday morning. But let's put this into motion and show you what's going to happen over the next 7 days. We have one disturbance that rolls in from the west on Sunday and Monday through North Texas. Kind of far away from us, so we're not really worried about that one. But watch what happens into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. A stronger system unfolds across the Rocky Mountain Northwest, and that may bring on this eastern side of that disturbance some good rainfall from the Dakotas all the way down into Texas. Now, for us here in the coastal bend in South Texas, what will determine our rain coverage and rain chance will be that disturbance out west, but also where the moisture comes in from the Pacific. So a couple different scenarios that could happen. If the moisture is deep out north, it looks like West Texas will get in on more of that rainfall. But if the tropical moisture coming in from the Pacific from the southwest is deeper near Corpus Christi, or at least near us, that'll produce some good heavy rainfall late next week. We're talking Thursday, Friday, into early next weekend. So this time next week is when we could talk about some good heavy rainfall in the area. So I do want to give you a couple examples. One model, the GFS, which is the American model, says good rainfall from Corpus Christi to Houston from this morning's run. But look at the Euro. A lot of the rainfall has shifted west towards I-35, West Texas near San Angelo, Dallas and Fort Worth, and anywhere west of San Antonio. So that just shows you a couple of different scenarios that could play out. At the moment, I'll keep rain chance in the forecast for next Thursday. But in the meantime, it stays hot and dry until then. So take a look at your 7-day. 89 on Friday, 90 on Saturday. We actually just warm things up and heat cranks in through Sunday and Monday. Highs top out near 92 on Monday and Tuesday. But notice on Wednesday and Thursday, the clouds start to roll in, and the chance at potentially some heavy rain returns in the forecast by Wednesday and Thursday of next week. John Thomas, Barbie.
Ryan, thank you. The countdown